Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, meet Sachin. We have Sachin who has been selected in Accenture recently, and now so he will be sharing his entire experience with us till the time he filled his form till to the last step he got selected, and he is being selected for ASC profile, and the package for this is 4.5 lakhs. So let's move on quickly. So yes, Sachin, all over to you. Can you please explain us the experience for your in Accenture you have been placed for?
Sure. Thank you so much for a warm welcome, and it's my a pleasure to interact with you and to be on your channel. So let's
Yes.
start. I applied on 15th of April for the
Okay.
Accenture Drive, and it was off-campus drive. When I applied, and I got the mail on 28th of April that
Mhm.
I need to attend the mock test first, which was on 3rd of May. Yeah, and the actual test was on 5th of May. So if I talk about my first round, it was like aptitude round and technical part. So it was of three sections, kind of three sections. So first was English ability and numerical ability and analytical reasoning. So these three sections were the part of that round, and the other section was technical assessment.
Okay.
So total it was of 90 minutes, and the 90 questions were given there, and we
Okay.
have to do the 40 questions of technical assessment in 40 minutes, and 50 questions in 50 minutes.
Okay. So I have a question here, Sachin. That can the students shift to the sections in between?
Yeah, we can definitely shift to the another section.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, if I talk about questions, it was I can say it was moderate level questions. So
Mm-hmm.
not that much hard and not that much easy. If you have practiced a lot, then it will be easy for you, I guess. And I attempted the first round, and it was really well for me. Like I attempted two coding questions, and all of input cases were running successfully.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
so after the first round, the results were very quickly. Like on the next day, on the 6th of May, I got the results, and it was mentioned you have cleared the first round, and the
lucky
next
here.
round will be communication assessment. So yeah, it was mentioned that communication assessment will be from, you can attempt it from the 7th of May to 12th of May, between 5 days. On the next day, on the 7th of May, I attempted the communication assessment. And if I talk about this round, it was not an elimination round,
Mm-hmm.
but yeah, you have to be serious at this round also. Yeah, so it was it was conducted of six sections, I guess. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So the sections were there: reading skills, speaking skills, and listening skills, and retelling a story. So it was for checking your communication skills, like how you good at it.
Okay.
That's why.
Basically, the pronunciation and everything they will be looking into this.
Right.
And so
So
coding, you
yeah,
did
this was the
both
round.
the questions?
Yeah, both the questions,
Both the
two of
questions.
them.
Okay, perfect. And so one question I have, I mean, lot of students ask this question. Just in case we are not able to do any of the coding questions, so will the student get the other next round email?
Well, I have seen on Telegram many of the students like they had very good command or aptitude,
Hmm?
and they prepared very well the aptitude part, and even in the Accenture part, like they have cleared the first round. Even they didn't attempt any coding questions. I have seen such cases. I don't know whether they are true or not, but yeah, I have seen those. Maybe
Yes,
it can
might
happen.
be, I think, because some of the students also claim that they were not able to do
Right.
any of the coding, but still got selected. So it might be a possibility that the overall scores of
Still
the
got
test,
selected.
and
Right.
yeah, yeah. Okay, got it. Yeah, move ahead.
So I attended the communication assessment on 7th of May, and the results came on 14th of May. Yeah, right. And it was mentioned you have to attend the technical round, and for which you can select the slot whether you are available on, like on which time you are available. So we need to select the slot for that.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I selected the slot on 16th May.
The slot which you selected was the same slot given to you, or was it different?
Yeah, it was same slot given, like as I selected, that was same slot given to me.
Okay.
So, I have selected the time. It was 10 a.m. But
Hmm.
the interviewer came on 10:25. So yeah, 25 minutes I had to wait for that
In the lobby.
for
Okay,
him.
fine.
So let's start about the like technical interview. First question was, how are you and what's situation there? Like he asked me about how the situation about COVID-19 in your area. Then he started like he asked, tell me about yourself in very short manner, or I can say very quickly. We have to introduce ourselves. Yeah, he was checking my resume. He asked then like what are the projects you have done and what are the projects you are working on. So the next question was like how many team members were there in your project and what was your role. So I explained what was my role, and actually my project was based on ML. So he asked whether you used the pre-built models or you have made your own models, ML model.
Mm.
So yeah, honestly said, sir, I we used pre-built model and we took reference from it.
So any
Yeah.
cross question on this?
So and
Yeah.
yeah, he asked about my role, and I explained what was my role, and he asked you used this skill in your project. So how many days you took to learn this skill? So yeah, this type of questions were there, and yeah, the next question was like difficulties you faced during the lockdown while connecting to your team members. Yeah, overall interview was totally based on project part, and he didn't ask any question from technical part.
And what was the time duration your interview was
Yeah.
totally for, approximately?
It was approximately 15 to 16 minutes, I guess. Yeah. Actually, I was pretty much confident on my projects which I have built.
Okay.
And
Okay.
yeah, I also mentioned those projects only which I have built or I have worked on. So yeah, actually, its next question was like, what if we make you the project manager in our company? Will you say yes to like our team? So I was really surprised for like after this question,
Hmm.
and I was thinking, did I heard it right or not? Yeah, so I said yes to him. Like I'll definitely gonna say yes, but first I'm gonna take some experience or some guidelines from the senior person who is already in this field for a longer time. Yeah, if I'm definitely gonna say yes to it.
Oh yeah, smart move.
Even he was smiling and he asked last question, any question from me. Yeah, I asked about like on which technology we'll be getting trained on.
So what was their
Yeah.
answer?
Like he said, Sachin, we are not very sure about it,
Hmm.
but yeah, like on requirement of it, totally based on the requirement of our project. So
Hmm.
on which part will be requiring skill. So on that skill, you will have to be prepared, or we will train on.
Fine. Then this
Right.
was the
So
last question.
yeah, that was the whole like my experience.
Fine.
Yeah, this was the final question.
And post this, how many days it took for the results to get out?
Okay, so I recently got results like on 2nd of May. I got the 2nd of June. Sorry, I got the results. It took yeah 15 to 16 days.
Okay, fine. So one last question from my end is any kind of tip or any kind of suggestions to the students out there which actually might help them, to prepare for the Accenture interviews or preparation, and they are looking for a lot of information. So can you please help us guide?
Yeah, sure. So like if on the basis of my experience, what
Hmm.
I experienced, like for the Accenture, you need to be very good at like aptitude part, and once you clear the that written part, I think after that process, not that much easy to oh sorry, that it will be very easy for you to place in Accenture. Like the first part is very important,
Hmm.
written part, and
Hmm.
yeah, for the aptitude you have to be practiced a lot,
Hmm.
and you have to practice daily for that. It's not you practice the one day and you are practicing after 5 or 6 days. You have to be very regularly. So for the coding part also, you have to be prepared on platforms like HackerRank, HackerEarth, LeetCode are there. Very good platforms are there for free of cost. Of course, you can practice there.
Okay, that's great that you mentioned such three platforms where they can practice. Okay, so I think yeah, so this journey was completely very I think exciting for you, and congratulations once again, Sachin, that you cracked and you have been placed with Accenture, and I think now you will go undergo the verification of documentation and everything. So best of luck for all the further processes, and all the best for the Accenture journey to you.
Thank you so much. It was really a pleasure for me to be here and share my experience.
Who are the first candidate who will be, actually being published on our channel. Our channel is also quite new for the candidates, but we are really working hard for them to, get most, authentic information and so that they can practice, so that they can get everything to crack
Right.
the Accenture or other companies interviews. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned a lot from this. His experience actually. So thank you. Have a nice day. Be safe. Take care. Bye.
Thank you all.